Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to increase the screen quality on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, just open settings, then tap on display and brightness. From here, just tap on screen color mode, and from here you will find the screen quality settings. First of all, you have the option to increase the saturation of the colors of the screen. Now as you can see, it is currently on natural, but if you select vivid, it will increase the saturation of the colors of the screen, as you can see in the preview. Also on the screen, you can change the color temperature of the screen. Now as you can see, it is currently on default, but you also have the option of cold, and if you select cold, it will apply a blue hue to the colors of the screen. And if you select warm, it will apply a yellow hue to the colors of the screen. And you can also change the color temperature as you like. After you do that, then go back. Now in the main settings page, just tap on accessibility and convenience. From here, tap on accessibility. Now at the top of the screen, you will find the option of vision. Just tap on it. Now under the display section, you will find the option of high contrast text. Now if you enable this option, it will increase the contrast of the text on the screen. Just like that. And this is how you can increase the screen quality on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.